The Venezuelan jungle parrot is a most unusual bird. First of all, because it has absolutely no fear whatsoever of heights. It enables the bird to build its nest at the top of the loftiest tree in the jungle, from whence its beautiful and plaintive cry rings out across the jungle treetops. Hello! Now, the Venezuelan jungle parrot is very much sought after in its native Venezuela by the Aborigines, who seek this bird for its beautiful plumage, from which they make brightly coloured and exotic headdresses, and from the short, soft, curly feathers surrounding the bird's bottom, they make beautiful and delicate little tribal ornaments. But although a rather dangerous and sometimes even aggressive species, this particular specimen has been tamed and trained by showing great patience, by feeding it with tasty berries, and by hitting it with a piece of wood. And tonight, to demonstrate the extreme bravery and courage of this particular species, Sid is going to show you his prowess as a fire eater. We shall bring onto the stage a 6-foot pole of naked, blazing flame, which Sid will extinguish in his beak. He seems to have pooh-poohed that particular idea. However, he is instead going to sing for you a beautiful song. A song he's had the great pleasure of performing on the radio, on the sideboard, and sitting on the back of a chair. Sid is going to sing for you now, Nellie Dean. Before he breaks into song, he just needs to moisten his vocal cords. Oh, I'll get it. Oh, sorry. Thank you, young man. Sit, sit, sit. It's for you. It's for you. Right, Sid, go to it. Nellie.